Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों सयामा पुरानिक सयामा at Lonavala, and it's row houses, row villas also you can say. So let's begin with the show with the discussion of Sayama by Puranik Developer. So friend, this is Puranik Sayama at Lonavala. So as you know friends, Lonavala is a very pleasant place, and this is the hill station closer to Mumbai and Pune and everywhere. Even Pune is at the height. So for the surrounding areas like Panvel, Dombivli, Kalyan, Virar and all the surrounding areas, Lonavala, even Mumbai, from Mumbai people, at least बरसात के दिनों में एक बार तो लोनावाला जाते ही है, because the climate is so good, so good. It is so good, and the rain and the clouds comes down till the building down. It goes from your building, even if your building is ground plus 2 or 3, clouds comes to the ground level. And especially there are some points over there like Tiger Points and the Bushi Dam and all these points. So Lonavala is one of the best hill station which is closer to Mumbai, and many people have purchased their own bungalows, their own flats in Lonavala. So Puranik has come up with Sayama, which is a very good project in Lonavala, and this is very, very close to the before the lake. When you go to the Bushi Dam, Bushi Dam is very famous in Lonavala. When you take a right turn from the Kamat and you go towards the Bushi Dam, so there is a lake before there. So lake के पहले ही लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ये प्रोजेक्ट है. तो आपको बुशी डैम तक भी जाना नहीं, उसके बहुत ही पहले है, और सिटी से थोड़ा सा मतलब सरकमटेंस पर है, जहाँ पर आपको हिल्स और आप क्लाइमेट का भी मजा ले सकते हो, लेक का भी मजा ले सकते हो. ऐसे लोकेशन पे ये प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड है. So this is the image of the row houses. When you see over here, the image is having ground floor, first floor and a terrace. So it's a villa with a ground floor, first floor and a terrace, and it has 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Now 3 BHK has one size somewhere around 1600 carpet, and 4 BHK is somewhere around 2000 carpet. So I will tell you later exactly what the carpet and price is, but this is how the image of the complex is. So it's a wonderful complex, and it's like a second home for in Lonavala. People who want to relax there every year, you can go even in winter, even in rainy season, even for just to relax over there, just take a break from the city life and just go for a relax over there in Lonavala. So it's a very pleasant place, and the atmosphere is very good in Lonavala, and you will love staying in Lonavala. It's such a place where you will love staying over there. And Puranik has developed this under construction projects. Phase 1, phase 2 is already developed, and phase 3 and phase 4 work is going on right now. And the plot area is somewhere around 10-acre plot area is there, out of which 7 acre is taken into construction, and 3 acre has been used for the amenities. So in amenities also, developer is giving full-fledged good amenities are given in the complex, and it's a very wonderful place to you can take it as a second home, or you can use it as a first home also, or you can use it for the investment purpose also. You can go any type of investment. You can go with investment, you can go with the first home, or you can go with the retired home also, or you can go as a picnic spot also, second home also. So friend, this is how the gate of the Sayama is, and it's a very decent and very well heighted, decent quality gate has been given. And you can imagine from this, the complex will look very good when it is completed fully. And there's a lawn inside the complex, there are swimming pool, there are lots of amenities where you can sit, you can meditate, you can just you can do your yoga, you can do your even seniors can have the laughing club over there. So lots of amenities as developer has given in this complex over here. So friend, this is how the image is of the villa. Basically, here when we say it in Mumbai, this is as first floor, but basically this can be said as a ground level also. That's why I told you initially has ground level and first level and terrace. So now if we want to say, we can say this has that's a ground floor. There's a parking over here. There's a parking in ground floor, and this is first level of the villa, and this is second level where you have a large balcony over here, and there's a terrace on top. So I will show you in the planning further how the villa looks, but from the inside how the villa looks. But this is how the outer elevation of the villa is, and it is very beautifully designed. You can see it is very beautifully designed, and there is ample of place in the surrounding areas over here. So this is again the image of the villa, and you can stay with the family, and family will really love to stay in this villa over here. Again, this is the image of the swimming pool, image of the villa is, and you can see it's very well designed. Even the terrace a huge terrace has been given on top. So there's a private garden, there's a space for cabana, there's a party space in terrace, then there's a pool, and then there's a hook for swing in children's balcony, and wooden finished vitrified flooring has been given, vitrified flooring in passage. Best in CP and sanitary fittings, all branded fittings are given in washrooms and sanitary fittings, all branded fittings are given, and standard modular switches have been provided in this villa. You can see the size of the swimming pool. It's very big. Even if you go in summer, you feel like swimming inside. बरसात के दिनों में तो थोड़ा वेदर थोड़ा काफ़ी ठंडा होता है, और कुछ लोग स्विम करना तभी भी पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन ठंडियों में भी मतलब मौसम काफ़ी ठंडा होता है यहाँ पर. गर्मियों के दिनों में यू कैन टेक फुल बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस स्विमिंग पूल. अगेन देयर इज अ वॉकिंग ट्रैक, देयर इज अ वॉकिंग ट्रायल, देयर इज अ सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट, देयर इज अ गुड क्लब हाउस इनसाइड द कॉम्प्लेक्स, and you can see the swimming pool is also very large with very well designed. And here also there's a lawn where you can walk over here, relax, do meditation, do yoga. So this is again a badminton court, which is one of the amenities, and that's a basketball over here. And you can see lots of trees are been given, greeneries are given, and different types of trees are given over here. And see the complex over here, it's very well designed. So there's a separate place for the amenities, and villas, there are separate place over here, because villas are in one row. It's in one row. So you can say this as a row house, or you can say as a villa also. But there is a separate plot for which 3-acre plot has been given for the amenities, and these are all the amenities which developer has provided. And you can see over here there is aroma garden, there's skating ring, there's a club, the riverside gathering reflexology area, walkway, barbecue counter, yoga meditation, kids play area, tennis court, swimming pool, and jacuzzi pool. So friend, this is the layout of the plot. Now this plot is total around say 10-acre plot. It's a 10-acre plot, and you see all these villas over here. These are all villas over here, and these are all amenities given over here. This side, these are all amenities over here. And when you see over here, this side, this blue one was the phase 1 which they had developed, and I think so they have given position for the blue villas, and yellow ones are also almost position has been given for this. Now red ones are under construction, which is phase 3. So red ones are under construction, which is phase 3, and you will get these villas within 3 to 4 months. You will get the position. And the brown one, which is phase 4, this is under construction, which you will get position by within 2 years, 2 years, maximum 2 years time, not more than that. So So this is how the plot is, and the plot is, you can see here, it's a proper square plot, and all the amenities and villas are designed very good over here. So amenities, these are all the amenities given over here. अब अगर लोकेशन की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ से अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये रेलवे लाइन है जो कि टूवर्ड्स पूना जाता है। मुंबई से अगर आते हैं तो टूवर्ड्स पूना ये रास्ता जा रहा है। और ये जो लेक है, ये लेक से थोड़ा सा आगे यहाँ से राइट साइड में जाते हैं तो बुशी डैम है यहाँ पर। अब इस लेक में आने के लिए यहाँ से इस तरफ से कामत, यहाँ से या कहीं से यहाँ से कामत रेस्टोरेंट है यहाँ पर कहीं पर, अगर मुंबई से आते हैं तो मुंबई एक्सप्रेस रोड से अगर आते हैं, अगर लोनावाला खंडाला के रोड से अगर नीचे उतरते हैं तो कामत जो रेस्टोरेंट है वो काफ़ी पॉपुलर रेस्टोरेंट है वहाँ पर, कामत। और वहाँ से राइट लेते हैं तो ये टूवर्ड्स आपको बुशी डैम की तरफ जा रहा है। तो बुशी डैम, ये जो लेक है यहाँ पर है, पर आगे आपको यहाँ बुशी डैम से आगे तक जाना ही नहीं आपको। उसके पहले ही आप लेफ्ट टर्न लोगे तो यहाँ पर सयामा है, यहाँ पर सयामा है। So location is absolutely very good. Everything is very close by to this area because यहाँ पे hardly distance, यहाँ पे जो ये बिग बॉस, यहाँ पर आप देखो कि बिग बॉस हाउस भी यहाँ पर बना हुआ है, जो पहले जो शूटिंग्स हुआ था कोविड के पहले, जो भी बिग बॉस का शूटिंग हुआ तो वो इस लोकेशन पे हुआ था यहाँ पर। उसके एग्जैक्टली बाजू में ये सयामा है। तो यहाँ पर पीछे से भी आप आ सकते हो, टूवर्ड्स पूना आप जाते हो तो पीछे से भी यहाँ से आप आ सकते हो। अगर सपोज कोई सीजन्स में अगर ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा है, अगर बाय रोड अगर आप यहाँ से आ रहे हो तो आप स्ट्रेट अवे आप पूना एक्सप्रेस रोड आगे जाकर आप यू टर्न लेके आप पीछे से भी यहाँ से आप कॉम्प्लेक्स के लिए सीधा आ सकते हो। तो आप ये पूरा ट्रैफिक जो है, कभी कभार लोनावाला में बरसात के दिनों में ट्रैफिक काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है इस एरिया में, या न्यू ईयर के दिन भी ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा होता है। तो ट्रैफिक अवॉइड करने के लिए यहाँ से इंटरनल रोड से आने से अच्छे आप सीधा एक्सप्रेस रोड से आप क्रॉस करते हुए आगे जाके यू टर्न लेके आप 3 किलोमीटर आगे आपको आना है, पीछे की तरफ आना है, और यहाँ पे सयामा है। तो प्रोजेक्ट इज वेरी राइटली लोकेटेड और इट इज वेरी क्लोज टू द इकोसिस्टम। एवरीथिंग इज वेरी क्लोज बाय फ्रॉम हियर। और यहाँ पर क्लोज बाय पे आप क्या देखोगे ज़्यादा, बिकॉज इट्स अ वीकेंड होम, इट्स अ सेकंड होम। तो यहाँ पर ज़्यादा आप क्या देखोगे, जरूरत की चीज़ें आपकी मिल जावे आपको। अगर आप हमेशा वहाँ पे रहना चाहते हो तो आपको हॉस्पिटल, डॉक्टर्स, खाने पीने की चीज़ें वगैरह सब आराम से वहाँ पे मिल जाए। अगर आप सेकंड होम के हिसाब से जाते हो तो डेफिनेटली यू कम आउट, देयर इज अ गुड रेस्टोरेंट्स ओवर हियर, there's a Ramakrishna restaurant and other restaurants are also there. And then Kailash Parbat is there. These are all good restaurants over here. And secondly, there is a MacD over there. So lots of good joints are there in Lonavala over here. And secondly, people when they go in the rainy season over there, they just go for a fun and just to relax, to take the good, to enjoy the good rainy season, the good weather over there in winter or in rainy season. और कभी कभार गर्मियों में अगर जाते हैं तो अगर just for relax, just to relax over there they go. So depends what क्या पर्पस से आप जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर. But this type of second home or first home or even for a senior citizens home, this can be utilized for any purpose, these type of homes. Even some people, they like to use it as a kitty party or a group gathering party, anything like that. So friends, when you see over here for 3 BHK, it's basically there's one parking, one car you can park your car over there for 3 BHK. You can park 2 cars also can be parked over here. For one parking can be parked comfortable. And you see below over here, this is the first floor area where you see there's a living space over here, and there is one again sitting arrangement over here. This is a dining space over here, and there's steps given over here. So living space, dining space, and one washroom is over here. Then there's a kitchen here, and this is one bedroom. Then from this staircase, when you go on the second level, so when you go on the second level, this is one bedroom over here, which is attached, and there is second bedroom over here, and there's a third bedroom over here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the plan for 4 BHK. और फिर इसके ऊपर टेरेस है. यहाँ पे आप देखो कि ये जो स्टेयरकेस है यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है वे टू टेरेस. इसके ऊपर आप जाओगे यहाँ से तो ये टेरेस के ऊपर जाएगा रास्ता. और 3 BHK में अगर आप देखते हो तो दिस इज अगेन इसके नीचे तो पार्किंग आ गया. ये फर्स्ट फ्लोर के ऊपर यहाँ पर ये लिविंग स्पेस आ गया आपका और ये डाइनिंग स्पेस है, कॉमन वॉशरूम, किचन, and there is utility room over here where you can keep your washing machine or anything over here. So one bedroom is over here, and if you go on the second floor from the staircase, so one bedroom over here. There is a huge deck also for this flat. बड़ा सा एक deck दिया हुआ है और ये वॉशरूम इसके साथ अटैच्ड है इस बेडरूम के साथ. और यहाँ से स्टेयरकेस ऊपर जाता है, ये फिर टेरेस के लिए आगे जाता है और जो थर्ड बेडरूम है वो यहाँ पर है. This is also attached. So 2 bedrooms are on the second floor and 1 bedroom is on the first level, and on the ground level there's a parking. So this is 3 BHK plan. Okay, and there is a huge deck also given for this. And for 4 BHK you can park your 2 cars easily. So there is a 2 parking with 4 BHK. So friends, when you see the prices over here, so 3 BHK carpet area is 1624. And the price is 1.59 CR, 1.59 CR, and it goes up to 1.79 CR. Depends on what location and what view you select the villa. So it will, some are centrally villa located, some are corner villas. So as per that, the price varies in this complex. And for 4 BHK, carpet area is 2043 square feet, which is a very decent carpet for 4 BHK. You can imagine the size of the villa. And price starts from 2.15 CR and it goes up to 2.35 CR. Depends on what corner and what center you select the villa. And possession, as I told you, for phase 2 is 3 to 4 months. Depends on the availability. And for phase 4, the possession is within 2 years. Its maximum is 18 months, but I'm still extending another 6 months ahead. So it is within 18 months to 2 years time. So that is for phase 4. Okay. So friend, this was all about Sayama by Puranik Developer at Lonavala. I will show you one video now. So you just go through that video because that video will be showing the actual view of the walkthrough of the sample flat. And plus there is one more video which will show you the walkthrough of the area and the surrounding areas and all that. So you see all both this video, it's hardly 1 or 2 minutes video. So you see this video, you will get more thorough knowledge about the project and where it is located in Lonavala. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel. Sharing is more important because sharing is caring. So don't forget to share this channel, and see you again with one more Puranik project very soon. Thank you for watching this show.
सुकून कहो या आराम, इसके कई ढंग हैं, कई रंग हैं। जैसे नीला किसी के लिए कहलाता है प्राइवेट कॉर्नर, तो किसी के लिए सोशल नेटवर्क, किसी के लिए हरे पत्तों की फ्रेशनेस अपनों की जप्पी के आगे फीकी पड़ जाती है। कोई प्ले टाइम में अपना बचपन रिवाइंड कर लेता है। सुकून कहो या आराम, इसके कई ढंग हैं, कई रंग हैं। जब सूरज की लाली फेड आउट होने लगती है, फ्रेंडली मैचेस का रंग उभरने लगता है। गर्मा गर्म गॉसिप्स डिनर में सजी हो तो हर नाइट गुड नाइट ही होनी है। नाश्ते में कुछ लोग डम्बेल्स पसंद करते हैं, तो कुछ बादलों और पहाड़ों के साथ आंख में चोली खेलना। सुकून कहो या आराम, इसके कई रंग हैं, कई ढंग हैं, मगर एड्रेस सिर्फ एक। लोनावला में बसा पुरानिक सयामा।